Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officer Adda channel of Adda 24/7. A warm welcome to all of you. So, in this session, we are doing the important segment of CAIIB exam November December session 2020. So, if you are new in this session, do not forget to first of all enroll in our new batches, which is already started from 3rd of September. Okay, so this batch is very much important for the examination point of view also, and today we are just going to start the last act of unit 4, that is payment and settlement system act. Okay, so concept and questions we have to do. Okay, so in the payment and settlement system act, what we have to study, so let's start with the session. Yeah, see, the Payment and Settlement System Act 2007. So first of all, I would like to say you that in the previous session, the question was asked that what is the year of Payment and Settlement System Act? So this can be the one question. Okay, so what is the year of Payment and Settlement System Act? So this act come into effect on August 12, 2008, extend to the whole of India. So this is the first point. This act, as amended from time to time, provides for, so what is the basic aim of this act? It's provide for regulation and supervision of the payment system in India and designate the Reserve Bank of India as authority for that purpose and all related matters. Regulation and supervision of the payment system in India and designate the Reserve Bank of as authority for the purpose and all related matters. So one say we can say that all the matter of the Payment and Settlement Act will be done by the Reserve Bank of India. So this is the basic aim of this act. Okay, now RBI authorization is also mandatory for before commencement of operation and further continuation of the payment system. Okay, RBI authorization is, this authorization is also mandatory for before commencement of operation and the further continuation of the payment system. So this is the important one. RBI has a power. So you can say that everything is done by the RBI. Everything. Okay. Everything is done by RBI. So RBI have a major. So now RBI has the power to authorize a company or corporation to operate, regulate the existing clearing houses and the new clearing houses of bank in order to have common retail clearing house system for the bank throughout the country. So this paragraph is very much important for the examination point of view also. Please see this one. Is that okay, class? Any doubt in this paragraph? That is important one. Any doubt? Okay, so this is important. Now the next one. The RBI, again class, the RBI is authorized, okay? RBI is authorized to refuse authorization for any payment system or may even revoke an authorization at any time on happening of the certain event detailed in section 8 of the statute. So first of all, no need to learn the section. So again, we can say here RBI have a major role in the authorization of this, okay? Then after, an appeal of the RBI decision. What is this? An appeal of the RBI decision lies with the central government, which endeavor to dispose of an appeal within the period of 3 months. It means, as we know that suppose if you are not satisfied with the decision of RBI, you can just appeal to the central government, and central government according to this act they have a 3 month of time, okay? 3 month of time in which they have to settle the matter. Is that okay? Now, the decision of the central government, the decision of the central government on the appeal is final. So whatever the decision that is taken by the central government is final. No bank or system provider is allowed to impose charges, whether directly or indirectly, upon a person making or receiving a payment or any changes in the payment system that can be made only after the prior approval of RBI. So it means suppose if you want to change anything in your payment and settlement system, so you need a approval from the RBI. So this is important. Is that okay? This is the important one. Now, RBI has a power to call for returns and access information, carry out inspection in organization connected to the payment system. It also has a right to give directions, make regulations connected with the payment and settlement system. So you can see that how much the role of RBI is there in this particular act. Is that okay? Any doubt? Okay, class? Now, let's understand the question and answer that is given in your particular act, okay? The first question is, as you can see here, a financial instrument whose value is derived from the change in interest rate, foreign exchange rate, credit rating or credit index, price of security, etc., or any other underlying or combination of more than one of this is called what? Repos, reverse repos, derivatives, or none of the above. So what is the right answer for this question? Tell me, class. What is the right answer for this question? So for this one, you have to need. So class, for this one, the right answer is derivative. So this is the answer of derivative. The financial instrument whose value is derived from the change in the interest rate, foreign exchange rate, credit rating or credit index, or any other underlying or the combination of more than one of the aforesaid is called derivative. So for the first one, this C is the right answer for this question. Okay, C is the right answer. Next. Tell me, under the Payment and Settlement System Act 2007, which entity is authorized to approve the commencement or operation of the payment system? Tell me, class. The first option is SBI SEBI, second is RBI, third is Ministry of Finance, and the fourth is SBI. So what is the right answer? Yes, class, tell me what is the right answer? The right answer is RBI. Okay, this is the right answer. Next. Okay, from RBI to consider authorizing the company or a corporation to operate and regulate the existing clearing house or new clearing house of bank in order to have a common retail clearing house system for the bank throughout the country, what percentage of equity for such company should be held by the public sector bank? Not less than 51%, not less than 60%, not less than 80%, or not less than 10%. What is the right answer for this question? Yes, class, what is the right answer? So class, for this one, the right answer is not less than 51% is the right answer. Is that okay? This is the right answer. Now, okay. Prior approval is required from RBI before system provider causes any change to take place in the system which would affect the structure or the operation of the payment system. However, how many days notice should be given to the system participant after approval by RBI? Tell me. Yes, class, tell me how many days it's required. So class, for this question, 30 days is the right answer. Okay. Now, yeah. Now the registration of the charges. The term charge. Okay. What is charge? The term charge has been defined in section 2 clause 16 of Company Act 2013. So what it means? It means charge means an interest or lien created on the property or asset of a company or any of its undertaking or both as a security includes a mortgage. So basically what exactly the charge means, suppose if a borrower have taken loan from the bank, okay, and the security is created on that property, so on that security the lien is created, so that is called the charge. So this definition is given in the Company Act 2013. So this is a very important section. Okay. After that, the term section 77 of the Company Act, nearly all types of charges are required to be registered with the registrar of company through the certain exceptions, and the charge may be fixed and the floating. Suppose if the property is fixed, so the charge will be fixed, and if the property is the dynamic in nature, so the charge will be also in the floating nature. So this is very important. Okay. Charge will have to be registered within 30 days of the creation of charge, and some additional time is permitted on the payment of certain fees. If the charge created is not registered, then the same is invalid against liquidator appointed under the Companies Act or the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, and other creditor on the winding up of the company, otherwise as case may be. Section 77 to 87 of a Company Act deal with the registration of the charge. So again, this thing you have to learn. and this is important for the examination point of view. Is that okay? Now let's do the question. Under section 77, you have to tell me that within how many days after the creation of charge of a company is required to be register of the charges created by company shall be registered with registrar of assurance, registrar of firm, registrar of company, and all of the above. Tell me the right answer for this question. So class, for this one, the right answer is, that is C is the right answer. Registrar of the company is right answer. Next. Charge shall be registered by a company within dash days from the date of creation of charge. 60, 30, 15, or at the discretion of the bank. What is the right answer for this question? So for this question class, the right answer will be 30 days is the right answer. Okay, next. Under section 82 of the Company Act, the company shall give intimation to the registrar of the payment and satisfaction in full of any charge within the period of days, dash days from the date of such payment and satisfaction. So what is the right answer for this question? So class, for this one, the right answer will be C is the right answer. Okay, C is the right answer for this question. Okay, so you have to learn this type of things. Okay, so class, that's all for today. So I hope so you people enjoy the session. Okay, so that's all for today's class. So we have just done with the two particular, one act and the one concept class. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, there will be the last session of the module B. Okay, so before this, I would like to say you that this is the complete revolution batch. The timing of your ABM is 6 to 7, ABFM 7 to 8, BRBL 7 to 8, BFM 9 to 10. So this is the timing. I'm your legal mentor, Nikita Singh. Okay, I will teach you the BRBL subject. That is the easy and the scoring subject. So if you want to crack this exam in a single and a first attempt, so you have to take this batch. Already started from 3rd of September. My class, I have just done one orientation class. Now the proper class will be started from, I think, the proper class will be started from 16th of September. So do not forget to enroll in this batch. You will get the two-way interactive class, then PDF. Okay, after that you will get the mock paper of all the compulsory subject. You will not get the this one paper, this one elective paper. So for elective paper you have to purchase the video course of elective paper. Okay, so this is all about the revolution batch. And we have also a single batch. The Sankalp and Success batch are the previous batches. Revolution is the new batches, so you can just take this batch also. And this is the video course of CAIIB elective paper. As you can see that, it is a recorded video course. And you can also purchase the ebook also and proper book also. This CAIIB BRBL proper book is one of the most important book, in which we have just covered the summary of the act, definition, term of the act, 1500 plus question of all the pattern that's come in the BRBL paper. Okay, so guys, if you want to enroll in this batch, so what you have to do, just click on Adda 24/7. Okay, this one, JAIIB CAIIB November 2024. This is the revolution batch. Okay, apply the coupon code, that is Y391. Click on apply. See the disc, so Y391. Click on apply. The 77% discount is there. So if you want to enroll in this batch, you have to apply the coupon code. Okay, and for the Mahapack also, same coupon code you have to apply. Okay, so thank you so much for attending the session. Thank you, class.